I'm Matt with Marine Tech, and today we're going to showcase our new Yamaha trim wrench set. I think you'll all be very pleased to see. While our old design was beautiful with this radius, once you put a breaker bar on, there's no real way to hold this wrench into the cap. So once you start really wrenching on it to loosen it, the wrench wanted to pop out. So we've designed this boss to hold a 1 1/4 inch piece of PVC pipe, and then we can trim the motor down on top of that, and that will hold your wrench flat in place, so you don't have to worry about it twisting and popping out and damaging your cap or scratching your cylinder or breaking pins. We've also upgraded our pins. All of our wrenches now use the L-style pins, which is an M8 thread. It's much stronger. These things can go over 200 foot-pounds of torque before you start breaking pins. All of these wrenches were designed by us here in Charleston, South Carolina, by Marine Tech. Our part numbers are MT, that stands for Marine Tech. Our assemblies, that's what we sell them as, are AMT. So if you ever see a part number of a tool that's AMT, that's a Marine Tech product that we designed here in South Carolina.